Welcome back to Senior Network. Now I get to talk with Becky BDavis of the Cypress.
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh, hi, nice to see you. Thanks so much for letting me speak to you about the Cypress today. This is awesome.
And of course you're VP of Sales and Marketing, so you always have a lot of information to share, and I know you want to just remind everybody about the Cypress in general.
Yeah, and that's helpful. The Cypress is a continuing care retirement community. What does that mean? That means that the Cypress provides independent living on a 100-acre campus in Hilton Head Plantation. It's just gorgeous. We call it a campus. And as folks purchase, this is an equity model. I'm a licensed realtor with the state of South Carolina. Nona Story is our broker in charge. And so we both have a license to sell real estate. So it is a real estate product, but built into that product is the continuum of care. So,
nice.
If you're just beginning to look at this, whatever, what does that mean? That means is as you're living independently, the Cypress can provide that level of nursing care if and when you should need it. Also, too, it doesn't have to be just nursing care. People are like, oh, I don't need nursing care, but gosh, I might have at some time a point where I need transportation. Or gee, it'd be nice to have maybe some home health care for after surgery. Or something like that. So it doesn't have to be skilled care. It can be everything, in between.
And it sounds like it's flexible as it goes. So your needs might be a certain way now and then change, of course.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
But before you need that kind of care, we want to have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So on campus, we have our own golf course. We have a 30,000 square foot clubhouse, where we have activities and dining and bridge and a library. So we have everything in between. So, but the important thing is that the message is that you have to move to the Cypress while you can live independently.
Yeah.
That's the takeaway.
It's a continuing
of care.
A time frame, which is wonderful. So that reminds us of you want to talk about an event coming up where people can come see this.
Yes. Oh, thanks so much for asking. Yes. So April the 28th, it's a Friday. We are going to have a publicly open house tour of homes at the Cypress, which is great because it's been a couple of years without because of COVID for obvious reasons. So I'm planning on putting about 13, 14 model types on tour. That way everyone gets to see a little bit of different product. Not that they are for sale, because members are opening up their homes to show their homes. And this is an opportunity for people to come in, touch and feel and talk to the members.
Yeah.
I mean, my members are the best. They give the best testimonials. Talk to them. Find out what it's like to live at the Cypress. And so yeah, we're really looking forward to it. It's a fun day for all of us.
And that's great because when you're purchasing property, you never get to do that. You can actually talk with the ones who are living it day to day.
Walk
get
and
the real
talk.
story.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah, that's great. And there's a lot of options. It sounds like a lot of plans, 12 or 13.
Yeah, lots of things to look at. Yeah. And like you said, talking with the members, you get a real life experience of what it's like to live there.
Sounds like a great way to check it out. Now, who do you want to come? Like, who's your audience, your target?
That's a good question. So I do not want to discount family. I think my prospects coming in, they're going to be 70 to 90, to look at, because we have all different types of model types, from a one-bedroom apartment to the home on the Intercoastal Waterway. But I want family to join their parents, their grandparents, their aunts, their uncles, who think that they will benefit from living at the Cypress. Because I tell everyone the Cypress is the gift that keeps on giving to the family. So that's what I want. I want my prospects, people who want to get on our wait list, and their family.
I think it's multiple fold purpose because families are going to come visit them most likely.
Sure.
Of course, they're caring about their loved ones, so they want to make sure it's the right type of situation for them too.
Good
so
fit.
I think it's a great way to, as you said, to involve everybody for a lot of reasons, not just for that part of purchasing decision, but just for later.
It's the unknowns that you want to know that are taken care of.
Now, question, you mentioned clubhouse, all kind of activities you have. Are families, do you have events open to families?
When you live at the Cypress, yes, your family is invited to go on trips with us if they want. Come in, Yeah, use our pool, use the gym.
Well, that's important.
Yeah.
Grandkids come to the pool.
Oh,
It's very
absolutely.
important.
Yeah,
Sure.
use the golf carts. Use the
Yes, definitely those. So definitely a
It's a lot
great way
of fun.
to see the property, learn about it, touch and feel, meet with folks there. So if you're interested, come and check out Becky. Give her a call or
That's
contact her
right.
about the
Oh,
open house.
Yeah, so it'll be Friday, April the 28th, so count on it. And thank you for tuning in the Senior Network, and we'll be right back.